Hello everyone and welcome to the presentation of Kira, our new software for remote testing. In this video I'm going to show you how Kira can be the most powerful software for remote testing so that you can have an overview and a clear idea of what you will be able to do while using it in your daily tasks as a tester. In this video we will take for granted that Kira is already installed and that the first time setup is already complete. So let's launch the software then. Okay, so once opened, the dashboard is the first section that you will see. It gave us many opportunities, but let's go step by step. At the top of the page, there is the main navigation bar, which includes features for Android, iOS and desktop. While at the bottom of the screen, you will have a console, which will give you informative messages while executing some actions. Just below the navigation bar, we have the Explorer windows, which will help you to manage all files and much more. First thing you will notice is that in the left and right sides you are in a specific folder. Of course, it's still empty because it will be used to store all captured files, screenshots, videos, logs, instead of being saved on your desktop, for example, so you will have all in one place. The right side is exactly the same as the left, so that we can add more folders here for a quick access, drag and drop files, and navigate easily and quickly, also refresh. In this section, you will also have the notepad so that you can create your notes without using any external tool. You just need to click here. And if you want, you can also have more notes opened at the same time. To add more folders here, just click this button, select the path, for example, download, and that's it. We can also remove these folders, but we need to open settings page. Both left and right side share another feature, the drag and drop feature, which will allow you to quickly open a file with your favorite editor with no need to open it separately. How to set your favorite editor? You can just open settings page from the upper right corner here. From settings page you will be able to set your favorite editors for both video and photos, but you can also manage folders here. So for example, we can delete the last added folder, just click here, okay? And we can also manage the license. For example, if you need to upgrade your license, just click the edit button. From settings page, you can also change your theme. So just click the color, check the preview and choose the color. Then click apply. Okay, so now let's give a quick look at the quick action buttons here. As you can see, we have the Android, okay, we will see it later, the calendar with month, weeks and calendar week number here, which is really helpful for most of us. We have the Easy CFR, which is a tool helping us to take our notes, find some text, replace text, use it to change column to rows on Excel, and so on. We will have a dedicated video for this one. We have Horus, which is our screen recorder. So with Horus you will be able to capture video and screenshots easily and quickly and open them later with your favorite editor with a built-in drag and drop feature. With no save to cloud option, this is perfect for our communities because we can stay in compliance with NDA and GDPR. We then have iOS proxy, so you can set up a proxy in one click with no need to navigate through a browser settings page. So just enter data for the first time and then Kira will keep them stored for you. we have the QR code generator, which is really helpful, especially for iOS, and we will see it later. We have the stopwatch, so you can track your time easily and know exactly how much time is being spent on your projects and daily activities. You can also use it to track website performance and provide readable results when needed on customer side. Finally, we have the time zone converter, which will allow you to convert between major world time zones in both directions. You can schedule conference calls, online meetings, and know exactly at what time you are required to be available for your project here. Now let's see in more details what you can do on your mobile device. And let's start with Android. Just click the button here. But first of all, be sure to plug your device into your PC with an USB cable, and also be sure to have developer mode and USB debugging enabled on your phone. If you need any help on how to do that, then please check our fact page. Once done, select Android here and wait for connection to be complete. If all went fine, you will be redirected to the Android menu. From this section, you will have many opportunities. Let's have a look at them quickly, one by one. So, for example, if you need to capture a bug report, you can just click here. You will see a pop-up asking you to confirm, clicking yes or no to close it. Then we have the connections menu, so you can enable, disable the airplane mode, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi on your device with just click here. We have the device info, so you can collect all your device information with no need to install any other app from Play Store here. We have the enable proxy feature, so you can enable, disable proxy just like we did on desktop. We have the install APK, so you can install the APK directly from the URL, just entering the URL and clicking download and install. Or if you already have the APK on your computer, you can just browse and select the path here and click install. Again, we have the log capture feature, so that's it. You have the console log here, you can stop capturing, you can resume capturing, you can clear the console and save your log with just click here. Again, we have the open link in browser, so you can just enter a URL here and send it directly to the browser on your mobile phone. Then we can power up, reboot your device, enter in recovery mode, capture screenshot, capture video and log in a single action. And finally, we have the send input feature. So you can use it to send input from the keyboard on your computer to your mobile phone. For example, if you have a login form on your device, you can just enter username here, password here, and click to send this input to your device. At the same time, you can just enter text here if you have a single input to send. Let's try to take a screenshot, for example, so you can see how it's working. Let's just click here. Okay, as you can see, screenshot is captured, and from this screen we can process it. So we can rotate the photo here, we can take a new screenshot here, we can start capturing a new video, we can delete, we can rename it, or we can edit it using our favorite editor. So the editor we set in setting page. Let's try to take another screenshot here. Okay, let's try to rename it and save. Then close. As you can see, all screenshots we took are in the temporary folder, so you have all in one place. If you are an Apple user, then just select iOS here and wait for connection to be made. Okay, so now we are in the iOS menu and we can use all related features. So same as Android, we can collect device info, we can capture screenshots, we can reboot, power off our device, capture crash reports, install IPA, capture logs, navigate to specific URL using the QR code generator. We can use the Web Inspector feature to capture the Safari browser log on your Windows. And finally, we have the video feature that it's still in progress. So, of course, in these minutes you've already realized how much time you will be able to save using Kira in your daily activities, while executing test case and or exploring to report issues and so on. But that's not all. There are indeed more features we are working on for Android, iOS and desktop, and this will be object of our future updates. So I hope this video will be helpful, but of course, as Kira users, you can contact the support anytime if you have any question. Thanks a lot for watching and enjoy with Kira.